Perfect chicken. Pour the chicken broth into a saucepan with the onion and garlic. Bring to a boil, and cook at a boil until the liquid reduces by half, about 10 minutes. Pour in the white wine, return to a boil, and reduce the liquid by half again, about 10 minutes. Stir in mushrooms, rosemary, and sage. Simmer until the mushrooms are tender and have given up their juice, about 15 more minutes. Stir in cream, butter, lemon, and capers. Reduce heat and simmer the sauce until thickened, about 10 minutes, which is 45 minutes in all. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F 75 degrees C. Place the cornstarch into a shallow bowl and press the chicken thighs into the cornstarch on all sides until thoroughly coated. Shake off excess cornstarch. Heat the olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Pan fry the chicken thighs until they develop a golden brown crust, about 8 minutes per side. Place the chicken thighs into a 9 by 9 inch baking dish and pour the sauce over the chicken. Bake in the preheated oven until the sauce is bubbling and the chicken is no longer pink in the center, about 15 minutes. An instant read thermometer inserted into the center of a chicken thigh should read at least 165 degrees F, 74 degrees C. Johnny Marzetti Casserole. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F, 175 degrees C. Lightly grease a 7 by 11 inch casserole dish with cooking spray. Bring a large pot of lightly salted water to a boil. Add rotini and cook until tender yet firm to the bite, 6 to 8 minutes. Drain. Run cold water over pasta to stop it from cooking further. While the pasta is cooking, cook ground beef and sausage in a large skillet over medium-high heat until completely browned and crumbly, 7 to 10 minutes. Add onion, celery, garlic, and bell pepper. Cook and stir until vegetables are tender, about 5 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Remove from the heat and stir in tomato sauce and diced tomatoes. Let cool for 5 minutes. Spread pasta over the bottom of the prepared baking dish. Sprinkle Italian cheese blend over rotini, then pour meat sauce over top. Cover the dish with heavy-duty aluminum foil. Bake in the preheated oven for 45 minutes. Remove the foil and sprinkle cheddar cheese over the casserole. Continue to bake until cheddar has melted, about 5 minutes. Rest for 10 minutes before serving. $1 Million Chicken Casserole. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F, 75 degrees C. Stir cream of chicken soup, cottage cheese, sour cream cheese, Creole seasoning, onion powder, and a half teaspoon of the garlic powder in a medium bowl until well blended and smooth. Fold in chicken and parsley until evenly coated. Combine crackers, melted butter, and remaining half teaspoon garlic powder in a medium bowl. Spoon chicken mixture evenly into an 11 by 7 inch or 9 inch square baking dish. Sprinkle evenly with mozzarella, then top with cracker mixture. Place on a foil-lined baking sheet and bake in the preheated oven until crackers are golden brown and edges are bubbly, about 35 minutes. Garnish with scallions if desired. Spaghetti carbonara. Bring a large pot of lightly salted water to a boil. Cook spaghetti in boiling water, stirring occasionally until tender yet firm to the bite, about 12 minutes. Drain, toss spaghetti with 1 tablespoon olive oil, and set aside. Place diced bacon in a large skillet over medium heat. Cook and stir until evenly browned, about 10 minutes. Drain bacon on paper towels, reserving 2 tablespoons bacon fat in the skillet. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil to bacon fat in the skillet. Add chopped onion and cook over medium heat until onion is translucent. Add minced garlic and cook until fragrant, about 1 minute. Add wine and cook 1 minute more. Return cooked bacon to the skillet. Add cooked spaghetti. Toss to coat and heat through, adding more olive oil if it seems dry or sticks together. Add beaten eggs and cook, tossing constantly with tongs or a large fork until eggs are barely set. Quickly add a half cup Parmesan cheese and toss again. Season with salt and pepper. Remember that bacon and Parmesan are very salty. Serve warm with chopped parsley sprinkled on top and extra Parmesan cheese at the table. The secret to fluffy scrambled eggs. Whisk eggs with salt until completely combined and very foamy. Melt butter in a skillet over low heat until bubbling. Add whisked eggs, cook, stirring frequently for even, moist curds until thickened and creamy but still shiny, 2 to 3 minutes. Remove scrambled eggs from the pan before they begin to look dry, as they will continue to thicken off the heat. Easy cinnamon rolls. Gather all ingredients and lightly grease 2 round cake pans with butter. Roll bread dough out to a 6 by 18-inch rectangle. Brush with melted butter. Combine brown sugar, walnuts, and cinnamon in a small bowl. Sprinkle over butter. Roll dough into a log, starting at the long edge. Moisten edge with water and seal. Cut log into 20 slices. Arrange rolls, cut sides down, in prepared cake pans. Cover with a towel and let rise in a warm place until doubled in volume, about 90 minutes. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, 75 degrees C. Pour heavy cream over dough. Bake in preheated oven until golden brown, about 25 minutes. Mix confectioner's sugar, milk, and vanilla extract in a small bowl. Drizzle over warm cinnamon rolls to serve. Enjoy. Mayo chicken. Gather all ingredients. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F, 75 degrees C. Place chicken pieces into a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Stir together mayonnaise, garlic, rosemary, salt, and black pepper in a bowl. Spread mayonnaise mixture over chicken. Top with Parmesan cheese. Bake in the preheated oven until no longer pink in the center and the juices run clear. About 1 hour and 10 minutes. An instant read thermometer inserted into the center should read at least 165 degrees F, 74 degrees C. Easy and quick halushki. Snip bacon into small pieces with a scissors and cook in a large skillet over medium heat until crisp, stirring often, about 10 minutes. Cook and stir onion with bacon until translucent, about 5 more minutes. Set bacon and onion aside, leaving drippings in the skillet. Bring a large pot of lightly salted water to a boil. Cook egg noodles in the boiling water, stirring occasionally until cooked through but firm to the bite, about 5 minutes. Drain. Transfer bacon and onion mixture with drippings into the pot used to cook the noodles and cook and stir cabbage until coated with drippings. Cover pot and cook until cabbage is tender, 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally. Gently stir in noodles and season to taste with salt and black pepper. Hamburger steak with onions and gravy. Gather all ingredients. Mix ground beef, breadcrumbs, egg, Worcestershire sauce, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper together in a large bowl until combined. Form into 8 balls and flatten into patties. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add patties and onion. Fry until patties are nicely browned, about 4 minutes per side. Transfer beef patties to a plate and keep warm. Sprinkle flour over onions and drippings in the skillet. Stir in flour with a fork, scraping bits of beef off of the bottom of the skillet as you stir. Gradually mix in beef broth and sherry. Season with seasoned salt. Simmer and stir over medium-low heat until gravy thickens, about 5 minutes. Reduce heat to low. Return patties to the gravy. Cover and simmer until cooked through, about 15 minutes. Serve and enjoy. The last Caesar salad recipe you'll ever need. Combine anchovy fillets with garlic in a food processor and pulse several times to form a paste. Process mayonnaise, Parmesan cheese, half and half, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and Worcestershire sauce with anchovy mixture until dressing is creamy. Refrigerate for 1 hour or more before serving.